Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's my video. In today's video, I will giving you solution of class 8 book of New Longman Vistas Geography chapter 8, that is manufacturing industries. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start exercise part of this chapter. Okay, so first exercise of this chapter is choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. So first question in section A. In the USA, the dash region has a number of steel producing center. So correct option of this question is A, Great Lakes. So complete answer is in the USA, the Great Lakes region has a number of steel producing center. Okay. Second question, dash is not a product of cottage industries. So correct answer is option A. Automobiles is not a product of cottage industries. Question 3. Raw materials for the paper industry are obtained from, so correct option D, forests. The raw materials for the paper industry are obtained from forests. Question 4. Dash is a raw material required for steel production. So correct option B, limestone is a raw material required for steel production. Question 5. Murshidabad in West Bengal is famous for dash. So correct answer silk textiles. Murshidabad in West Bengal is famous for silk textile. Okay. So next exercise of this chapter is section B. State whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. So first statement is manufactured goods are more valuable than the original raw material. So this statement is true. Okay. Second, cement is an example of a large scale industry. So this statement is also true. Third, sugar mills are owned and managed by the central government. Again, this statement is true. Fourth, Raipur Jabalpur is a major industrial region in India. So this statement is false. Last, flax is a synthetic fiber. So it is this statement is also false. Next, match the column. Match the column. I hope clear, visible, all of you, all solution. So first, pottery. So correct match is cottage. Second, leather goods. So correct match in column B is small scale. Third, petrochemical. In column B, correct match is D, mineral based. Cosmetics, correct match in column B, consumer goods. 5, dairy products. C option in column B, cooperative. Okay. Next exercise D, fill in the blanks. So first, in a large scale industry, the various operations are headed by separate. So answer is department. Answer is in a large scale industry, the various operations are headed by separate departments. Okay. Spelling is DEPARTMENTS. Okay. Question 2. Dash are a product of small scale industries. So answer is leather goods. Leather goods. LEATHER, leather. GOODS, goods are a product of small scale industries. Third, packaging materials are considered to be dash goods. So answer is intermediate goods. Spelling is INTERMEDIATE, intermediate goods. Question 4. India and dash are the leading producers of jute goods. So answer is India and Bangladesh. Bangladesh are the leading producers of jute goods. Spelling is BANGLADES, Bangladesh. Question 5. The molten iron is run into molds and is called dash iron. So answer is pig iron. Okay. So students, मुझे आशा है कि ये ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस के सारे सॉल्यूशन आपको लिखने में किसी तरीके की परेशानी नहीं हुई होगी. सो आगे हम इसी चैप्टर का सेक्शन ई, जो आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 10 to 20 वर्ड्स है, इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके. मैं इनके आंसर बुक में जहाँ पर है वहाँ पे आपको बताऊँगी. आप वहाँ से डायरेक्ट अपनी कॉपी में नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन in section E, what do you mean by manufacturing industries? So this question answer is in your chapter page 190, first paragraph. The manufacturing industry converts raw material into finished products, usually on a large scale by physical labor or mechanical power. Okay. Your section E first question answer is complete. Next, question 2. What are the various stages of production in an industry? So in this question answer is page number 190, second paragraph of this chapter. Here, obtaining the raw material, processing it into the finished product and distributing it, or the various stages of production in an industry, is answer of question E2. Okay. Answer. Next, we will proceed. Next question of this chapter 3. Question 3. Differentiate between agro-based and mineral-based industries. Okay. So this question is in your book agro-based and mineral-based, page number 192. यहाँ पे सबसे ऊपर में आंसर है, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज ऑब्टेन देयर रॉ मटेरियल फ्रॉम एग्रीकल्चर. एग्जाम्पल आर कॉटन एंड जूट टेक्सटाइल्स, sugar and food processing. Mineral based industries use rocks and minerals as their raw materials. Example are iron and steel, aluminium, cement and petrochemical. So here your answer is complete. Section E, third question answer. Okay. Next, question 4. Give two examples each of pastoral based and forest based industries. सो यहाँ पर pastoral based और forest based industries का एग्जाम्पल पूछा गया है तो आंसर होगा यहाँ एग्जाम्पल of pastoral based industries are leather goods, woolen textile, processed meat and dairy products. And forest based example are paper, furniture and sports goods. So यहाँ से हम pastoral based industries का एग्जाम्पल लिखेंगे यहाँ तक और फॉरेस्ट बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज़ का एग्जाम्पल लिखेंगे यहाँ से यहाँ तक। तो ये हो जाएगा आपका सेक्शन ई का 4 क्वेश्चन का आंसर। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 5, नेम सम सिंथेटिक टेक्सटाइल्स व्हाई आर दे मच इन डिमांड। ओके, तो सिंथेटिक टेक्सटाइल के नेम्स यहाँ पूछा गया है और ये क्यों इतने ज़्यादा डिमांड में है। सो आंसर यहाँ पे पेज नंबर 196 में है। सिंथेटिक टेक्सटाइल्स like rayon, nylon, acrylic and polyester are a recent introduction. They have become very popular because they are cheaper, easier to maintain and more durable than the natural textiles. So here answer is section E, question 5. Okay. Next question of section E, name the 4 major industrial regions of the world. So इसका आंसर यहाँ पे पेज नंबर 194 में है। आंसर ऑफ सेक्शन ई क्वेश्चन 6, 4 major industrial regions in the world are Eastern part of North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe, Eastern Asia. Okay. Next, question 7. What are the 3 types of cotton textile mills? Name 4 major cotton textile producing countries. सो इसका आंसर यहाँ पेज नंबर 195 में जो टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज़ वाला हेडिंग है उसका सेकंड पैराग्राफ का यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 जो 9th लाइन है वहाँ से देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ मिल्स। फर्स्ट इज स्पिनिंग मिल्स which produce yarn, weaving mills which produce cloth and composite mills which produce both yarn and cloth. So ये सेक्शन ई क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का आंसर हुआ। ओके, नेक्स्ट हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। सेक्शन एफ, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 50 to 70 words. So first question, distinguish between intermediate goods and consumer goods industries. Give examples of each. Okay, so intermediate goods and consumer goods. So intermediate goods, section F, question 1, answer. Intermediate goods industries are those whose products are used as components to manufacture other finished products. For example, tires, packaging materials and machine parts are used to manufacture finished products like cars, packaged food, cranes, etc. Okay. Consumer goods industries are those whose finished products are directly used by consumers. Examples are sugar, paper, cosmetics and automobiles. So यहाँ से यहाँ तक का आंसर F के क्वेश्चन 1 का होगा। ठीक है, आगे F क्वेश्चन 2, bring out the differences between private sector and public sector industries by giving suitable example. So यहाँ पे प्राइवेट सेक्टर और पब्लिक सेक्टर अगेन पेज नंबर 192 में है। यहाँ F2 आंसर। प्राइवेट सेक्टर यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे। प्राइवेट सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज आर owned and managed by individuals or a group of individuals. Tata Iron and Steel Company, Reliance Industries, Aditya Birla Group of Industries are example of this type. Public sector industries are owned and managed by the central or state governments or their agencies. Steel Authority of India Limited, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited and दुर्गापुर स्टील प्लांट फॉल इनटू दिस कैटेगरी। यहाँ तक ये आंसर कंप्लीट होगा। सेक्शन F, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 3, डिस्क्राइब द प्रोसेस ऑफ स्टील प्रोडक्शन। सो इसका आंसर स्टील प्रोडक्शन अगेन पेज नंबर 194 में जो आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्रीज हेडिंग है इसके सेकेंड पैराग्राफ का थर्ड लाइन से स्टार्ट करेंगे। यहाँ से द आयरन ओरे इज मिक्स्ड विथ कोल एंड लाइमस्टोन एंड स्मेल्टेड टुगेदर इन अ ब्लास्ट फर्नेस। द मोल्टेन आयरन इज रन इनटू मोल्ड्स एंड इज कॉल्ड पिग आयरन। आफ्टर द solidifies it is hard and strong but very brittle as it contains impurities. The impurities are removed and pure iron is obtained. Some carbon is mixed with pure iron to make steel. Steel is very flexible and can be made into any shape like sheets, wires and rods. यहाँ तक आंसर कंप्लीट होगा F सेक्शन के क्वेश्चन 4 का। ओके, सॉरी 3 का, 3 ये 3 का आंसर है। ओके, नेक्स्ट G, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्लासीफाई इंडस्ट्रीज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ साइज। सो ये क्वेश्चन जो सेक्शन G का है, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 80 to 100 वर्ड्स। सो थोड़ा बड़ा होगा। सो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर पेज नंबर 190 में जो क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज वाला हेडिंग है यहाँ पे इस तरह है। ये सेक्शन G के क्वेश्चन 1 का आंसर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ साइज। यहाँ से लिखेंगे classified into 3 types: cottage, small and large scale. So first, cottage industries are household industries in which the craftsmen make goods in their homes with the help of their family members. They invest very little capital, use local raw materials and simple tools. Little or no power is used. They sell their products in the local market. Products of cottage industries include pottery, basket, textiles, jewelry, decorative items, jams and jellies and pickles. Okay. Cottage industries are very common in India and other South Asian countries. Next, आगे इसी में स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज, क्योंकि क्लासिफिकेशन पूछा गया है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ साइज। सो 3 कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया गया है। कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज, सेकेंड है स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज। तो स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज एम्प्लॉय सम लेबर एंड यूज पावर ड्रिवन machinery. Raw materials are obtained from outside and products are sold in the local as well as outside markets through traders. They play an important role in the developing countries, providing employment to a large section of the population. Products of small-scale industries include textile, ceramic, toys, leather goods, foodstuffs, utensils, furniture, and electronics. Third category of on the basis of size is large-scale industries. So, invest huge capital, employ thousands of laborers, and use power-driven heavy machinery. Raw materials are obtained from outside and sometimes imported. Finished products are distributed all over the country or exported. Production is highly specialized and there are separate departments for the different operations headed by functional managers. Iron and steel, textiles, heavy machinery, transport equipment, petrochemicals and cement are some examples of large scale industries. तो जी का क्वेश्चन 1 का आंसर यहाँ पे कंप्लीट होता है. ओके. क्वेश्चन 2 of section G. Give an account of the world distribution of the iron and steel industries. ओके, ये क्वेश्चन 2 है सेक्शन जी का. सो इसका आंसर यहाँ से लिखेंगे जो पेज नंबर 194 है. इसका 1 2 3rd पैराग्राफ का 1 2 3 4 लाइन से ये यहाँ से The Great Lakes regions of the USA has a number of steel producing centers such as Pittsburgh, Youngstown, Chicago and Gray. In Europe, countries such as the UK, France, Germany, Luxembourg, Poland, Belgium, Sweden and Ukraine have large-scale iron and steel industries. In Russia, the Urals is the most important steel producing region. Japan is a major producer of steel and has large centers in the Osaka, Kobe and Tokyo, Yokohama regions. Other steel producers are China, India, Australia, Brazil, Venezuela, Chile, Algeria, Zimbabwe and South Africa. In India, the iron and steel industry is concentrated in the Chota Nagpur and Deccan Plateau. The main centers are at Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Bhilai, Rourkela, Durgapur, Bhadravati, Vijayanagar, Visakhapatnam and Salem. सो यहाँ पे सेक्शन जो जी का क्वेश्चन 2 का आंसर है ये कंप्लीट होता है. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे और यहाँ तक पूरा लिखेंगे. सो यहाँ पे इस जो जियोग्राफी चैप्टर 8 है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज़, इसका कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन एक्सरसाइज का कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन इस वीडियो में पूरा होता है. मुझे आशा है कि आपको आंसर लिखने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई होगी और आपके नोट्स बनाने में ये काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहा होगा. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.